Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we're zooming in on one really fascinating piece of the puzzle, semantic analysis in natural language processing. If you've ever stopped and wondered how AI models take a messy string of human words and actually understand what they literally mean, well, you are in the exact right place. Let's dive into how machines make that huge leap toward genuinely understanding us. So how do they do it? How do machines extract literal meaning? Think about it, it's one thing for a computer to recognize characters or match words to a dictionary database, right? But it's a massive, incredibly complex leap to go from just seeing a sequence of text to actually grasping the underlying facts being presented. It's kind of like if you were reading a foreign language where you recognize the alphabet perfectly, but you have absolutely zero idea what the story is actually about. We're going to unpack exactly how that crucial leap from mere recognition to actual comprehension happens. Okay, first things first, semantic analysis is a very specific, foundational level of natural language processing. Its entire job, literally its only focus, is extracting the literal, context-independent meaning of sentences. So what does that actually mean for us in practice? Well, it means that at this stage, the computer doesn't care about your sarcasm, it doesn't care about jokes, and it completely ignores the broader social context. It just wants the raw, literal facts that are being stated in that exact moment. To really solidify this concept, let's contrast it with syntactic analysis. Syntactic analysis is strictly about determining grammatical structure, figuring out what the nouns are, identifying the verbs, and mapping how they connect to one another. But semantic analysis, it goes a crucial step further. It creates a formal representation of what a sentence actually asserts. Think of it this way. Syntax gives you the grammatical skeleton, but semantics gives you the actual meaning and the concrete facts being claimed. Now, once the machine extracts that literal meaning, it definitely doesn't just stay as raw English text. Instead, that output is mapped into strict, formal representation languages. Because if you think about it, machines need rigid mathematical structure to reason. They can't work with human vibes or ambiguity, so they use systems like first-order predicate calculus, which is often called FOPC, or conceptual graphs. By using these formal languages, the system can actually take our messy, unpredictable human thoughts and turn them into neat, logical statements. Statements that a computer can actively use to compute, search, and reason. Section 1. Syntax-directed translation. The dominant paradigm. At the absolute core of this translation process is a foundational linguistic concept known as Frigg's principle of compositionality. It states that the meaning of a complex expression is determined by the meanings of its component parts and the rules used to combine them syntactically. You can honestly think of this exactly like Lego building blocks. The machine figures out the meaning of individual, isolated words, it looks at the grammatical rules linking them together, and then it combines those smaller pieces to build up a full understanding of the entire complex expression.
So here is that exact mechanism broken down into actionable steps. Step 1. The system applies context-free grammar, or CFG rules, to map out the syntax tree of the sentence. Then comes the really clever part in Step 2. Each of those syntax rules is paired with what is called a semantic attachment. These attachments take those individual pieces of meaning and formally map them into full sentence representations. It's basically a highly structured step-by-step pipeline, taking us straight from human grammar right into machine logic.
But as we all know, human language is incredibly messy. Which brings us to a final thought I want to leave you with. What are the key challenges in resolving meaningfully? Because even with these brilliant semantic attachments and these highly logical frameworks, the sheer unpredictability of how we communicate makes it incredibly tough to resolve every single assertion perfectly. Flawless translation of human thought into strict machine logic remains one of the most fascinating ongoing hurdles in NLP. So what do you think it will take to finally bridge that gap? Thanks for exploring this with me today.